How to fix engine code p0136. This video shows why this p0136 code is on, how to repair this fault code. Watch the full video step by step without skipping the video.
Now I'm going to start the car engine to show you.
The check engine light came on after starting the car engine. I'll check with the ISCAN computer to see if there are any fault codes. I checked the fault code and it is p0136 rear oxygen sensor cricket malfunction. O2 sensor circuit fault, bank 1, sensor 2, is usually caused by a faulty downstream oxygen sensor, wiring, or connector problem, sometimes due to an exhaust leak near the sensor or a failed catalytic converter. It can also be caused by a blown sensor heater fuse or relay or a bad engine control module, ECM. How did I solve the problem of the check engine light on and fault code p0136 on this car? This is the bank 1 sensor 2 oxygen sensor. I will check the oxygen sensor wiring to see if there is any problem. The oxygen sensor wire in this car has been cut and disconnected. Look, the two wires of the upper oxygen sensor have been cut and disconnected. So the oxygen sensor is not working, so the fault code is coming p0136. First, I will connect the cable and test whether the oxygen sensor problem is solved or not. I have connected the two wires. Now I will connect the wire socket. If you have such a problem with the wiring of your car's oxygen sensor, then the solution is to connect the wiring.
Method number 2: How to fix bad oxygen sensor bank 1 sensor 2.
Oxygen sensor bank 1 sensor 2 scan computer data stream check. O2 sensor high reading 0.80 to 0.90 volts. And oxygen sensor reading jumps between low 0.1 to 0.5 volt. Then it will be understood that there is a sensor or wiring fault. Troubleshooting. Check the wiring problem. If there is no problem, then replace the oxygen sensor. After changing oxygen sensor bank 1 sensor 2. Checking the oxygen sensor data stream with a scan computer will show the sensor reading 0.35 to 0.45 volt. It stays on after starting the engine. Then you should understand that the sensor is working properly and there is no problem. Method number 3: Exhaust pipe leak issues. Fault code p0136 is on due to a leak in the exhaust pipe. Be sure to inspect the exhaust thoroughly and repair any leaks. Catalytic converter large leak. If so, definitely change it. I turned the ignition switch to the on position. I will clear the fault code with the scan computer. Now I will click Clear Fault Code. Clearing fault code, we are done. Please read fault code again. Fault code clear. Now is no fault code. Now I'll start the car engine. Let's see if the check engine light has reset or not. After starting the car engine, the check engine light is no longer on. Thank you very much for watching the full video.